Hello students, welcome again in this beautiful world of accountancy. This is Amit sir, your accountancy teacher. I hope you all are fine and please stay at home and be safe. Now to this video I am going to start full-fledged question of change in profit sharing ratio. But before I start, I'll suggest you all to please like and subscribe my channel. Now, first, in the given question, XYZ are partners. They are sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 5:4:3. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2019 was Sunday creditor of rupees 40,000 and outstanding expense are of rupees 15,000. General reserve is of rupees 75,000. Please remember, अगर कोई information नहीं होगा, we will divide this general reserve in old ratio, and our old ratio is 5:4:3. And capitals of the partners are 4 lakh, 3 lakh and 2 lakh respectively. With that, cash balance is also given to us, that is of rupees 40,000. Sundry debtors are of rupees 2 lakh 10,000. Stocks are of rupees 3 lakh and furniture is of rupees 60,000 and plant and machinery is of rupees 4 lakh 20,000. Now adjustments given to us are from 1st April 2019, they agreed to alter their profit sharing ratio as 4:3:2. They also decided that furniture is to be taken at 80% of its book value. It means जो फर्नीचर है उसका वैल्यू 20% रिड्यूस करना पड़ेगा एंड स्टॉक इज टू बी एप्रिसिएटेड बाय 20%. इट मीन्स स्टॉक का वैल्यू 20% बढ़ाना पड़ेगा. नाउ नेक्स्ट, प्लांट एंड मशीनरी बी वैल्यूड एट रुपीज 4 लाख. इट मीन्स प्लांट एंड मशीनरी का वैल्यू एट प्रेजेंट 4 लाख है. नाउ विल कंप्यूट द डिफरेंस बिटवीन प्रेजेंट वैल्यू एंड द बुक वैल्यू एंड then only then we can say वैल्यू बढ़ा या कम हुआ. Now next is outstanding expense increase हो गया by rupees 13,000. It means liability increase है and partners agree that altered value not to be recorded. Please highlight this thing, not to be recorded in the books of account. They also don't want to distribute the general reserve. वो partners general reserve को distribute भी नहीं करना चाहते. It means हमें वैल्यू अल्टर भी नहीं करना और जनरल रिजर्व को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट भी नहीं करना, और ये सारा एडजस्टमेंट हमें करना है बाय पासिंग अ सिंगल जर्नल एंट्री. इट मीन्स अगर प्रॉफिट ज़्यादा होता है देन एंट्री विल बी गेनिंग पार्टनर्स टू सैक्रिफाइसिंग पार्टनर, एंड इफ लॉस इज मोर देन एंट्री विल बी sacrificing partner to gaining partner. First, we have to compute the net effect of these whole transactions. Let's start. Now, after reading the question carefully, we can easily observe that they want us to pass single adjustment entry, and for that entry we need sacrificing or gaining share first. Therefore, our first working note is for making computation of sacrificing or gaining ratio. Now, for computing sacrificing share, formula was old share minus new share. When we subtract new share of x, which is equivalent to 4/9, from old share of x, which is equivalent to 5/12, we will get minus 1/36 in result. And if you remember, in last class I told you that अगर किसी पार्टनर का सैक्रिफाइसिंग शेयर नेगेटिव आता है देन दैट पार्टनर विल बी टर्म्ड एज गेनिंग पार्टनर. देयरफॉर x is a gaining partner. Now we will compute sacrificing share of y, which is equivalent to 4/12 minus 3/9 equivalent to nil. It means ना तो y sacrifice कर रहा है ना ही gain. Finally, the last share, that is sacrificing share of z. When we compute sacrificing share of z, we will get 3/12 minus 2/9 equivalent to 1/36 as his sacrificing share. It means z is a sacrificing share and x will be termed as gaining share. Therefore, we will post them in this journal entry x capital account debit being gaining partner to z's capital account. Now question arises from where we will get these amounts. For computing this amount, first we will compute profit or loss on revaluation, and for computing profit or loss on revaluation we will consider those adjustments which were given in question. Now first adjustment says there is an increase in the value of stock by rupees 60,000, which will be termed as income, or incomes are to be written on credit side of revaluation account. That's why I'm writing credit here. And second thing which is given to us is furniture. Value of furniture is reduced by 12,000. If value of furniture reduces, it will be termed as loss, and loss are to be written on debit side of revaluation account. Third thing is decrease in the value of plant and machinery. Again, whenever there is decrease in the value of any asset, it will be termed as loss, and loss are to be written on debit side of revaluation account. Finally, the last thing, outstanding expense increases, it means liability increases, and liability increases means loss again, and it means 13,000 will be written on debit side of revaluation account. After making computation of all these effect, we will get profit on revaluation of rupees 15,000, which is to be written on credit side. It means profit is there. That's why we are passing entry gaining partners capital account to sacrificing partner capital account. अगर यहाँ लॉस आता तो एंट्री होता sacrificing partners capital account to gaining partners capital account. But in this question, profit is there. Now we will compute net result of general reserve and profit on revaluation. When we compute net result of profit and revaluation or general reserve, we will get 90,000. That is our working note number 3. Now after making computation of working note number 1, 2, 3, we will start posting. First, here 90,000 will be written by posting amount from this adjustment, and 1/36 is comes from working note number 1. Now after both this thing, we will get 2,500 on debit side of X capital account and credit side of Z's capital account. Now after passing that adjustment entry, we will pass effect of that entry in capital account. We will prepare capital account first by writing opening balances of capital given in balance sheet. Those are 4 lakh, 3 lakh and 2 lakh. Now after that, we will see the effect of entry. In the entry, X is debited by rupees 2,500 and Z is credited by rupees 2,500. Therefore, on credit side, we will write by the name of X, and amount is to be written on Z's column, and that amount is of rupees 2,500. And similarly, when we write that amount in X column and due to Z's credit, that is also of 2,500. Now we will compute the closing balances. Those closing balances are of rupees 3,97,500, 3 lakh and 2,02,500. ये balances जो हैं चेंज इन प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो के दौरान होने वाली एडजस्टमेंट के इफेक्ट के बाद हैं. अब से हम इन्हीं balances को बैलेंस शीट में शो करेंगे. Now after preparation of capital account, जैसा कि हमें क्वेश्चन में कहा गया है एसेट्स और लायबिलिटीज को चेंज नहीं करना, सो वी विल राइट एसेट्स एंड लायबिलिटीज फ्रॉम प्रीवियस बैलेंस शीट एज इट इज. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम कीपिंग डेटर्स, स्टॉक, फर्नीचर, प्लांट एंड मशीनरी, कैश एट बैंक, क्रेडिटर, आउटस्टैंडिंग एक्सपेंस एंड जनरल रिजर्व्स एज इट इज. क्योंकि हमें क्वेश्चन में स्टार्टिंग में ही बोल दिया था कि वी मस्ट कीप these value as it is in the books of account. That's why I am writing them as it is. जब लिखने के बाद उन्होंने बाद में बोला था you must pass necessary adjustment through capital account only. Now after preparation of capital account, हमारे पास जो capital के balance आए उसको सिर्फ change किया जाएगा. I am repeating it again. If in a question it is given that you must pass single adjustment entry for treating reserve and revaluation or goodwill, in such situation all other things must be written as it is, and the effect will be there on capital account only. Now we will write those capitals are of rupees 3,97,500, 3 lakh and 2,02,500. In total they are 9 lakh. Now that's it, and goodbye. And please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.